Recently, I uploaded a fresh set of my Wireshark profiles to GitLab, and I've gotten quite a few questions. Instead of answering them individually, I thought I'd record a series of videos explaining my workflow and use cases. Come with me for a deep dive into the mystical world of Wireshark display filters. In our last video, we looked at the $ color rule button, which made it easy to filter for all packets that were using the same color. For this recording, I'd like to look at the next 3 buttons. You'll notice that the one in the middle also has a $. I'm on packet 3 of this PCAP, and it's the beginning of a TCP conversation. If I look down here in my detail, the stream index is 0. And that is just a number that Wireshark is adding. Notice the square brackets. Anything that has a square bracket around it means that Wireshark added it. It's not actually in the packet itself. The number starts at 0, which means each different conversation, which some people call a socket, some people call a flow, I have a tendency to call it conversation, Wireshark calls it a stream. A stream is 2 IP addresses and 2 different port numbers combined with a single network layer protocol. So I've got IP version 4, 2 different IP addresses, 2 different port numbers. Altogether, that's what Wireshark calls a stream. And this one just happens to be the first stream, TCP stream, in this PCAP. So it starts with 0. And every time Wireshark sees a new combination, it will go ahead and give it the next sequential number. UDP streams will go the same way. First UDP stream it sees, it will start with 0. In fact, if I go up to packet 1, and there in my UDP header, notice it's also stream index 0. So it's just a way for Wireshark and for us to go ahead and count the different conversations. Back to my SYN. I want to go ahead and filter for all packets belonging to this particular TCP stream. If I hover long enough, there we go, you'll see that the pop-up tells us that it's tcp.stream equals, and then remember, we have $ curly bracket, the name of the field, curly bracket. That's our field reference expression. So anytime Wireshark sees a packet that has the same TCP stream number as the one I have selected, it will go ahead and bring that in through the filter. So I'll use that one. I've got them all, entire conversation, quick and easy. Now, let's say that I want to look at the next conversation that's in this PCAP. Well, I could go ahead and take out my field reference expression, and, I was at 0, and so I could change that to a 1. I could do that, and it would be perfectly fine. But it's a lot easier. If I just want to go to the next one, here, I'm just going to go ahead and put back my field reference filter. There we go. All I have to do is use these greater than and less than buttons. So if I take that, there. Now, the stream that you were in when you started, +1. So you notice I'm over in stream 1 now. And then the stream you were in, +1. So now I'm in stream 2. And that's kind of weird that there's no response for that client hello, but that's the reason we're just whipping through these different stream numbers, is so I can get a picture quickly to make sure that the handshake completes, and if it's a TLS conversation, that the TLS handshake completes. And then go to the next one, you notice that's stream 3, and the next. Now see, that one completed. And the next, and the next, and so on. And then if I want to go back, of course, that's going to be the less than sign. So I go back and back and back. It's a quick way to focus on a single stream and then to go ahead and look at the next streams in that PCAP. In the next video, we'll look at our discovery protocols. Finally, while the world of Wireshark display filters might initially seem daunting, with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Transform the vast seas of packets into manageable ponds where every ripple and bit makes sense and can tell a story. Whether you're a packet rookie just starting out or a seasoned packet detective contemplating the next layer of complexity, Remember, every filter is a tiny window to a vast world of packet insight. What treasures will you uncover today? Until next time, I'm Betty DuBois. Welcome to the Art of Packet Analysis.